Good morning. All right, let me put up. It is Friday, September 15th. Today is quad witching. Let's go to the disclaimer. Searching security cards. Let's read this really quickly and just understand that trading is risky. Trading is real risky. And if you want to manually trade or you want to use my algorithms, there is risk involved. And you should know that risk before you get in this industry. Now I got to get my TikTok up. All right. Cool. Friday, September 15th. Let's get started. We have had a few trades so far. NQ Night Zones had 4 trades last night. 4 trades made me $400. 1, 2, 3, 4. This other one was like on a wick. Here, I'll zoom in a little more. This last one, it's going to be hard to see. So the first trade was here. The second trade was here. Took a little while. The third trade was here. And the fourth trade was this wick. This wick right here was the fourth trade. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Please hit that thumbs up. Let's get some good mornings in the chat. And let's have a great day. All right, cool. All right. The market's going to open in 1 minute. I got to get on the TikTok. Anyway, so that was NQ Night on zones. Also, ES Night on range. Took 1 trade. Hit. This is 100% on the entire year. And I know that's hard to say, but it is. The numbers don't lie. It's 100% on the entire year. Camera is off. The camera is not off. What? What are you talking about? Camera
Order
is off.
filled.
What you talking about, Willis? What's going on? All right, the market's open. I got to get on TikTok. I am also running the Bold Chop live today, so we will maybe get some action there if we get along. I rolled out the premium Bold Chop last night / yesterday. And, gold had a loss this morning also, because we are fully transparent here at BoldBot. Gold had a loss. It got short here and it pulled up and it had a loss for $300. But that's okay. Gold is pretty much flat on the week. So, all right, look at that wick down to 600. Let me get on TikTok. I'm also trying to think of
Here's
fun.
an exclusive sneak peek.
No.
What is going?
No. I also I'm trying to think of fun names for the seminar / workshop / convention. And one of my buddies sent me a whole bunch of random, like he probably got it from Chat GTP. Oh, there he is. Because these suggestions, and there were like 100. Like, I really thought your ass was gonna like think with your brain and then be like, oh, hold on. Also, I need to pull up the streaming message. I had to do a full reset yesterday because my computer was or my NinjaTrader was acting crazy. Anyway, I thought you were going to like send me 2 or 3 from your brain, and instead you go to Chat GTP and just put in futures and seminar or futures workshop and then give me all these crazy options. Some of them are cool, but they're too wordy. I was going to tell you that, but I haven't had time to tell you. They're too wordy for sure. So NQ zones overnight is at the bottom here. That was 4 for 4 last night. ES range was 1 for 1 last night. ES zones also had a night trade down here on this other tab. It was 1 for 1 for $250. But that was like, I don't know, 6 p.m. last night or something. All of these trades were done before 9 p.m. or 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. I was like, oh, it's time for, oh yeah, because they can't trade after 9. So it's honestly before bed, I made $650 on 1 ES trade and 4 NQ trades. And this NQ, my sister's, she's getting on my nerves. All right, so I was looking at the stats for the week. NQ Night Zones has made $1,200 this week, and ES Night Zones has made $500 this week. So if you just ran those two, that's $1,700. That covers your extra premium costs for over 3 months. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. Hi, Jonathan. How are you? I'm not in any trades right now. Sadly. Nothing yet. Remember, today is quad witching. It doesn't really affect us that much. Hi, Blaze. Hi, Carlos. I love the good mornings. They are my favorite. Hi, Andon. I'm the idiot who had the camera on. Oh, yeah. There was a camera. There was a live show on the student call this morning. I try to remind you guys that when you get on, you have to swipe. You have to swipe to the left and turn off your camera. Lawrence call on the short at 6:40. This is event line. I'm hoping we can pull back to here. Nice. I didn't even realize that they fall together, Dana. Short something. Oh, early. I'm in a short on early. Let's go. Let's go. We're almost there. Looks more like this. I gotta take it off of this 20-minute because then...
Target filled.
There we go. Target filled on NQ early. I think I was thinking eggs in my head, and then eggs hits.
Order submitted.
Order submitted. Oh, YM zones. It's a no on Friday, so I don't actually care what happens with this. We need some eggs in the chat. Let's get the chat. The regular chat in the group has been so quiet this week, but I think it's because we've just been making so much money, and people are just making their money and like, oh, I don't even have to like bother with the chat because I'm just living my best life. So ES night range was 1 for 1. GC range was 0 for 1. NQ early is 1 for 1. Let's go. Let's go. We need some eggs in the chat. We don't have any symbols for the overnight. Oh, did y'all see that somebody created a button that says send it to Irma? So this is yesterday, but if you click on the emojis here, What is this one called? Oh, just reverse hand. But it says send it to Irma. It's hard to see. It says send it to Irma. It's so funny. And then Jen created a zones one last night. So cool. It's green. It's hard to see some of these though. And then Jen also created an eggs with bacon. Look, they're together. It's like a little egg and a little bacon. And then she also created a whole platter. Oh, did you take that off, Jen? It was like eggs and maybe because it was too squished. It was like eggs and bacon and oranges and something else. An owl for overnight. Oh, Jen, I love it. I love it. Put the owl here. Oh, the owl is so cute. Type range. Oh, is it in range? Oh, yeah, I forgot. It was like for the win, right? Or whatever. So she made this one, too. It's hard to see, but it's an egg and an orange and a bacon and something else. Oh, and waffles. And it's an apple, and it's sitting on waffles. Now I'm hungry. Okay, I have to stop talking. Love hearing Target filled. Yes, that's my favorite sound. For sure, Carlos. Hi, Rodney. All right, so while we have a minute, let's talk about the Las Vegas workshop, seminar, conference, whatever you want to call it, because I haven't figured out a name yet. It's going to be in May of 2024. There are only 20 open spots for my students. This is a student workshop. It's an intensive training workshop where we're going to get together. There's going to be 6 speakers outside of myself. And we're going to be sitting one-on-one together. So I'm going to be doing a lot of one-on-one training with each person. Oh, my wife said we need that hotel deal. Jonathan, you are going to get it. Are you signing up for the, well, actually, I don't know if I can extend it to people that are just doing, 100% it's being given to people that are in the workshop. So if you're doing the workshop, then you're going to get it. Remember, I'm giving you guys a few weeks heads up so you can look at flights, talk to your spouses, figure out if it's going to work for you or not, because it's going to be first come, first serve. For the bot to work, it has to be over 1K. What does that mean? What has to be over 1K? The bot can work in any situation. I told her we're supposed to leave wives at home, but trying to sneak you in. Yeah, sneak her in for sure. She'll be a good time. I'm not in any trades right now, so name BBIW, BoldBot Intensive Workshop. That might work. I would read off the ones that my buddy sent me, but they're in a text message on my phone, and then I wouldn't be on Slack anymore. No, it can run on anything. I don't know. I think what's going on in Vegas. Yeah, we're having a intensive workshop / conference / seminar. It's in May of 2024, and it's going to be a good old time, but we're also going to learn a lot. So remember, it's first come, first serve, only 20 slots available. 20 spots. So I'm going to open those up in October, which is why I've been talking about this whole week, and I'm going to talk about it for the next few weeks, because you need to talk to your spouse, talk to your employer, see if it's actually something you can do. Because once you sign up, you're signed up. You know what I mean? But there's only 20 spots. What's your... Yeah, no refunds. Because I cannot give refunds because I am going, I'm already have a contract with the place that we're going to be using. I'm paying for all of the hotel rooms for the students. I'm paying for breakfast. I'm paying for lunch. And it doesn't matter if people don't show up, I still have to pay. So if you sign up, you have every intention of going. And if you don't go, then you're out the $3,000. It's $3,000 for 3 days. We're going to meet intensively for 2 days. But we're going to then also do a meet and greet all 3 nights. So we'll be there for 3 nights. The hotel stay is for 3 nights. That's being covered by BoldBot. Breakfast each day is being covered by BoldBot. And then lunch is being covered by BoldBot. Thank you, Jen, for pinning that. If you want more information about the auto trading algorithm or the mentorship, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So, May 2024, flights are already open on Southwest. I'm not sure about Delta or other airlines. I know one of my students wants to come from the UK, so he was going to look into his flights. Hey, Delton, how are you? Dr. Delton in the house. So yeah, we were talking about the conference in Vegas. And then at night, we're going to have meet and greets. We'll go out. We'll have a bunch of fun. But during the day, it's going to be serious. It's going to be hyper-focused on trading. You have to have a laptop. I keep forgetting to post that when I kind of post information in the group. You have to have a laptop because we're going to be in a conference room. You're going to have an
order filled
chair and a table. And then it's going to be a situation where, look at this drop, where we're going to be trading together. Everyone's going to be in their own little section with their laptop. Myself or one of the 6 speakers are going to be up at the front with a big screen showing their laptop, like showing what their screen is showing as they obviously teach and explain. And then I'm going to come and sit with you one-on-one. So I want you to be on your computer the way that you have things set up so I can really look and see kind of how you have things, where I can help you, and what we can do to improve your trading. JJ said she's giving an hour speech. Yeah. No, what? Oh, JJ? No, Jen's doing like 15 minutes with a bunch of cute little pauses in between. Looking forward to the good times and learning. Yeah, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun, and it's going to be a lot of learning. So I think that's the best combination. But again, I'm going to open up the 20 slots in October, probably the first week of October. So make sure, again, talk to your family, talk to your spouse, talk to your employer, make sure you can take off, because it's going to be during the week. Obviously, we can't meet on the weekend to live trade when the futures market is only open Monday through Fridays. So make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you're on YouTube and you see the chat, minimize the chat and hit that thumbs up for me, please. There's 32 of you in the live stream and only 16 likes. Also, did we just stop tapping on TikTok? Jen, there are only 600 likes on TikTok. Y'all have gotten lazy on the TikTok. What? It's been a green week with it. Oh, so green. So green. This week has been amazing. I think I'm up like $6,000. I started on Monday with $8,000 because I withdrew last Friday and then I had a loss Friday in the afternoon for $1,500. Chop ES and ES early are actually both in the same exact trade. They're both short. Let's take a look at that. Let's go. And you know I don't really like to watch ES early, so I might just scoot away. But so anyway, so Monday morning I was starting around, I don't know, maybe 8,500, something like that. And right now I'm at
target filled.
What is this? Look at that. It's 61,000. $14,000. So $14,000 target hit on ES early. That is what we call the green apple. We need some green apples in the chat. We give nicknames to all of our strategies because if we just said ES, people would have no idea which one I'm talking about because there are so many ESs. Also, ES chop on the chop premium is in a short, green, $62. So we've already hit ES night was 1 for 1. That's our little owl. And then NQ early already hit 1 for 1. 1 for 1 means it took one trade and it was profitable on that one trade. So it's 100% on the day. So NQ early took one trade and it made $75 if you took one contract. ES, I take 5 contracts and it made me $300. So ES is the green apple and that's 1 for 1. So eggs is 1 for 1, green apple is 1 for 1, the owl is 1 for 1. And ES chop is still in this short for $150 on one contract. Now, what was I saying before that? Right. So kind of figure it out. You don't have to book your flight right now. I'm not saying that. But flights never go down. And if you notice the price of your flight has gone down, you can call the provider, Southwest, Delta, whoever, and they will refund you the difference. The point being, I already bought my flight. Irma already bought her flight. The prices of flights just don't go down, especially to Vegas, especially in May. May is the biggest time for conferences in Vegas. The weather's good, you know, I don't know. Kids are still in school, so people aren't on vacation, whatever. Super excited. It's going to be amazing. You're so cute, Whitney. Look at John. Look at John with the right emojis. Let's go. We need some green apples in the chat. We need some eggs and some owls. I love it. I love that little owl. It's so cute. So, I was saying, so 14,000 from 8,000. So I've made 5,500 this week so far, and we still have the rest of today. What month is trading now? I haven't been on in a while. What do you mean, what month? The contract is December. The contract is December. Yes. NQ Knight had no trades last night. ES Knight had one trade, 1 for 1. NQ Early is now green, 1 for 1. ES Early is green, 1 for 1. Perfect. R2Y is a no on Friday. Mid-May or late May? I'm not going to talk about the dates on the public live stream because there's a lot of creepy people out there. If you're in the group, you've already been told what the dates are. It's in the student channel. It's in the student chat. Again, this is a intensive workshop for students. YM did its thing again. Nice, Mike. It's an intensive workshop for students. So the biggest focus is people learning and the students getting together and just expanding their knowledge. But we also want to have some fun. So if you're not a student, but you're in my group and you want to come, pay for your own flight, pay for your own hotel, we're going to have meet and greets. And we're all going to meet up for the meet and greets and have fun. But if you're not part of the group, you're not going to be getting any of the information because that's just a privacy feature. It's a security thing. Man, we're on a roll for sure. Jeremy, you know, it's been an amazing week. Amazing week. If you ran the smallest sizing on ES early, ES later is flat on the week, NQ early, NQ later, just those three, you're up $1,858 on the week. And I've gone through all of those trades here with you guys. Good morning. I'm a little bit late, but I'm here. Hey, Ricky, I hope you're having a great day. Welcome. Tap that screen. Let's get some eggs in the chat. Green apples. We're already 1 for 1 on NQ early, 1 for 1 on ES early. Gold did have a loss. I talked about that earlier. If you're new to the live stream, gold did have a loss. It was $300. Not a big deal. And gold is flat on the week because it had a win on Tuesday. Look at that. It had a win on Tuesday and then a win on Thursday. Something like that. Yeah. We are live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, I have Chop over here. If YM wants to leave the Chop, I will be in a trade. Otherwise, I'm not. I'm still learning, but excited. I'm excited. I don't know who you are. Like, I don't know if that sounds rude. What's your name? I want to, make sure I know who I'm talking to when I'm on the live stream, and sometimes I'm like, who is that? Yes, it's true, Brandon. It did not. How many different trading bots do you have? Do they have different parameters? Yes, that's a very good question. You know me, I'm always exposed. It's fine. It's Stephanie, but that's my stage name. Oh, hi, Stephanie. So, playing with fire, to answer your question, yes, I have about 10 different algorithms. We mainly focus on bold range. I was supposed to run Scalper today too, just to show you guys, but this is bold range at the top of the blue boxes. That is the algorithm that you get when you first join the group. That is the main algorithm. And then I do have a premium service, which includes 5 other algorithms, but the standard service just includes bold range, and then you get access to Scalper after a week. You have to pass a quiz. I have that same rate out of every day. These algos work with TradingView. Nope, it's only on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader only. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Is this the class that you're speaking about? What class? So 1K only gets one bot. So again, there's a trial price. It's $500 for 21 days. So you can try 2 algorithms. Again, I just mentioned this. You get bold range is the main one. The thing is, running multiple algorithms isn't going to help your overall profit or loss because we're running the same products on all of them. So it's really more about choosing which one works better. And bold range is the one that works the best. Like, it is just the biggest performer. As I mentioned, if you only ran ES early, which is this, and NQ early, which is this week, and NQ later, which is this, then you would be green $2,000 just this week on the smallest sizing. The smallest sizing. So it's $500 for 21 days. I'm running a whole bunch of stuff. I'm running RTY, which is the Russell. I'm running YM, which is the Dow. I'm running NQ, which is the NASDAQ. ES, which is the S&P 500. I'm running gold. I'm running oil. I'm running all of those things. But I'm running them on range, and I'm also running them on other algorithms. Some are in simulation. Like I have other bold chops over here that are in simulation. Most of the bold zones are on simulation. It's a no Friday play on RTY and YM, stuff like that. So the point is, when you join, you get the easiest algorithm to understand, and you get the easiest like the best performing algorithm. That's just the easiest way to put it. It's $500 for 21 days. You sign up, you use the algorithm for 21 days. If you like it, you stay, and it's $1,000 every month after that. If you don't like it, you cancel, and you're never charged again, and we remove you from the group. So you can use Apex, which is a fully funded prop firm. They're doing an 80% sale until Wednesday, September 27th. So you can get a $50,000 cash account with Apex, and it will cost you $34 right now. You use the coupon code SAVE80. Everything is with one mini. Everything I'm telling you is with the smallest sizing of a mini. There's no point in trading micros unless you have a small cash account. People in my group either have a cash account of $10,000 or more, or they're using Apex and leveraging essentially free cash. If you want more information, just email me because the Apex is explained there. The cash option is explained there. You can use cash and Apex. So if you wanted to open up an Apex account and then also open up a NinjaTrader cash account with, say, $2,000 or $3,000, you could do that. Your cash account would have to trade micros instead of minis. So it would have smaller returns and smaller losses because, again, the account is small. But if you want to then also use Apex with it, you could take minis on Apex. Does that make sense? Cash at 33 a month. So, but Jonathan, I don't even think that matters because just like John posted yesterday, he passed his... What? He passed... Oh, hold on. I want to go to announcements because I posted it last night. This is Brandon yesterday. Passed all 5 evals in 8 days. This is very typical. Ooh, the ES chop is green $200 here. These were our results yesterday, okay? I don't think I can make this bigger. These were yesterday results. Nothing was red. Nothing was red. And ES later hit too for $500. ES night, NQ chop, ES chop, oil chop, RTY zones, NQ night zones, ES night zones, NQ day, ES early zones, ES later zones, gold range, ES early range, NQ early range, NQ later range, ES later range was also 1 for 1. Like, insane. Insane, insane, insane. Hi, Laura. And if you want to go back and watch some of my old live streams or yesterday's live stream, they're all on YouTube. My YouTube is BoldBot, 2 words. I'm trying to see what Gold wants to do here.
Order filled.
Order filled. Oh, did it hit target? ES chop hit target.
Order filled.
I'm taking a long on Gold. I'm long at 1945.7. So far in the day, I'm up $500. I was up almost $400 and something this morning, but then again, Gold had a loss. Was watching some yesterday. Yeah, utilize those as much as you can. I'm in this long of Gold over here. This is a manual trade, though. This is not based off of the algorithm. See if we get to 46.7. I need 5 more ticks, 4 more ticks. Boop, boop. I gotta get that 0.3. 0.3. 0.3. 46.3. Do you guys have any fun weekend plans? We're playing bingo tonight. That will be fun. I actually really like bingo. I really do. It's a good time. Can we see the bot working that we actually start with? Yeah, okay. Milo, please. I literally already showed you. We've taken 2 trades. This is what I don't understand. When people come on the live stream and they're just like not paying attention. This is the bot. This is the bot. I already showed you. It's not in any trades right now. It's not in any trades right now. When it's in a trade, you will see it. We already had 3 trades on the bot that you get Gold, and I get 100 phones a minute. Okay, well then Milo, you shouldn't be doing this during work. When you're home tonight, this weekend, you should watch all of my YouTube live streams because they show bold range every single time it's in a trade. ES Knight took a trade when I was sleeping. This took a trade. It was on the screen when it was taking the trade. This is ES. NQ early. It was on the screen when it took a trade, right there. But we're not in any trades right now, so there's nothing else to show you at the moment. Started to yesterday. So yeah, if you watched 4 to 5 hours of my live streams, you should have an idea of what the algo looks like. It's not a hard concept.
Target filled.
Target filled on Gold. Look at that run up. Oh, there was a 10 a.m. report. Nice. Nice. So I just got a quick $100 there off of Gold. Give me my money back from that Gold range before. All right, so ES chop hit target for, I'm like zooming my eyes in, $250. There's no link to my YouTube, y'all. It's just right here on the screen. BoldBot, just 2 words. Just go to YouTube and type in BoldBot. That's all. That's all. YouTube.com. You go to the top and you type in BoldBot. So that's literally all you do. Right here. I just did it. BoldBot. And I'm the only thing that shows up right here. You click on that. These are all. So make sure you go under live, because if you're under videos, those are going to be older. I don't do like recorded video. Like I don't take videos and then make videos, if that makes sense. I just do live streams. So go under live, and these are all my live streams. All my live streams for the past 2 years. All my live streams every single day. I took the month of July off this year, but that was about it. Look at Michael. Look at Michael. All right, Michael. Laura, let's run it up today. She already made $2,000. Kyle, busy day at the real job. He already made $1,200. Michael, a whole bunch. Remember, Apex is having a sale. Apex, 80% off. You don't have to risk any of your own capital. You pay $34 for a $50,000 account. ApexTraderFunding.com. This is the website. It's also in my informational email, so if you just email me. William, I forgot all about it because I'm simple-minded. Click on sign up, 50K, Rhythmic / Ninja Trader plan, 50K. It says $167, but you're going to put in that 80% save 80 coupon code, and then it's going to be $34. And you can have up to 20 accounts. So you can have 20 $50,000 accounts. It's $34. $34 for a $50,000 account. And that's exactly how my members are doing this. One of my members, I pointed this out yesterday, he made $15,000 yesterday. $15,000. Hold on, let me get up here. Like, these are all, this, Van even made more than $15,000. Look at all this. But I was focused on Ryan. So he has all funded accounts. These are all of his Apex accounts. He does not have any of his own cash being risked at any point in time. This is $15,000.
Order submitted.
Just yesterday.
Target filled.
Order submitted. Target filled. What the hell was that? Let's see. What was it? Let's make a bet. What do you guys think it was? Was it NQ? It wasn't ES. No, it wasn't NQ. What was it? NQ night? No. Yes, I'm like squinching my eyes to figure it out. Oh, it might have been YM. It might have been YM on zones, but that's a no on Friday anyway. Zoop, zoop, zoop. All right. Yeah, right? I'm not missing anything. No, he's using a copy trader, correct. Some people like the copy traders, or he may not be. You could also just apply the algorithm to every single account. I would have to ask him to know for sure. But, this is not uncommon, which is what I was trying to say. Like, everyone that posted yesterday has multiple accounts where they've made at least $200 to $1,000 to, it's just like crazy. The band Green Day must have been thinking of Lauren's algo. Ramsey made $3,956 yesterday. Passed 3 evals this week. Yeah, it's a preference thing for sure. John, early results. Nice. All right, let's pull that back. Remember, all of those results are based off of using the algorithm. There might be an account or two in there they're a student of mine, so they also manually trade. But the main factor in all of these, I can hide this now, is that they are using the algorithm through and through each and every day. Where's Jen? We need some blooping in the results channel. Who has time to be blooping? Yes, I got that. Dana's like, oh yeah. Decided on doing all that because it was one of the. Oh, interesting. I'm here multitasking. Okay, I got it. I know what's what we down for maintenance. Okay, cool. Irma, you look so cute. I am loving this picture. I'm putting a target. Girl, you are so cute. Look at, my employees are so cute, okay? Irma is the cutest. She's at the doctor's office, but she's got her iPad. And she's answering questions, so she's got it. Yo, we're gonna have so much fun in Vegas, okay? Can we just talk about it? House is 66 for a night. I hate cold, but my husband is so hot-natured. I love a cold house. I am such a fan. Well, at least when I sleep. When I sleep. Like, I put it down to 68 when I sleep, for sure. Dang, you put them in the hospital. We need some blooping. No one is blooping. You're saying bloop, 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 Evie, but you're not even blooping. So, how does that work? And I'm not on my phone, Jen, so it's much harder. So, it's so much easier for me to just go behind. Bloop, 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 bloop. Where's Laura? I need you blooping. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Thank you, Jen. You're the best. Jen is actually probably working at her job, and I'm asking her to emoji shit out of people. I'm buying the account now. Do I have to start trading right away? You don't have to. You do not have to. That is not a requirement. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Look at Marcus dancing. Oh, Marcus, I didn't see you post yesterday or anytime earlier this week. Where have you been at? Where have you been? Let's go, John. Marcus. All right, so what are people doing this weekend? Because I told you I'm playing bingo. Nobody else has told me what they're doing. Oh, also, I'm going to a baseball game on Sunday. But that's about it. Nice job, Dana. Yes, you can, Milo. Yes, but if you don't pass the evaluation within 30 days, they will charge you again. So, but if you pass the evaluation within those 30 days that you bought the account, then you won't be charged again. Fantastic. I'm doing nothing. 25 game weekend. What does that mean? Are you playing 25 games this weekend? I might try this pickleball thing. Listen, Jonathan's going to get... No, who called me out the other day? Pickleball. I'm playing pickleball again on Wednesday. Work this weekend, then Myrtle Beach next Tuesday. Glad I have the VPS. Yes, VPS. Pickleball is so fun. VPS... All right, well then... I'm going to send this link. All right. My sister's on the plane to Jamaica watching ES Trade. Isn't that the best? And she's like, oh, I just made money. So I went to play poker last night, and it was so boring, but I kept looking at my phone because you guys were like, oh, NQ Night Zones just had another trade and another trade. So that was so exciting because I wasn't making any money at poker. Like, I wasn't losing, but I wasn't making any money. And I made $400 from the algorithm. And I was like, this is great. This is awesome. I think I made like $100 like something real basic. This girl email dance. Say, the bot is making all of the trades based on setup info you put in. Yes, Bob. Or based on whoever coded. Yeah, I coded the bot. I have like 10 bots. All of them are based off of different parameters. They can trade at different times of the day. They have different targets, different stop losses. But yes, you have the general gist, Bob. So, when you join the group, you're given access to a private setting spreadsheet. And that setting spreadsheet has all of the little extra settings that you would then put in to the algorithm, and then you turn it on. And then every night thereafter, you just turn it on. And that's it. That's the only requirement of you, is to turn it on. Thank you, Jen. We go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. There's not a lot of action today. I don't know if Irma's running pink. Do you provide extra settings training? Yeah, well, we have a white glove service when you join. It's really straightforward. So when you join, you're given a welcome video that takes you step by step through everything. If you still have questions after that, I have 2 admins at your disposal who are super, super helpful. Irma is amazing. She's my onboarding specialist. So yeah, you will know what you need to do and kind of how you need to set it up. And then you can choose your risk based off of that. Again, you can use a cash account or you can use a prop firm funded account, which is a company that will allow you to use their capital. You simply have to pass an evaluation process, which is pretty easy. You could also do a combination of a cash account and a prop firm funded account. And again, with the prop firm, if you use Apex, which their website is apextraderfunding.com, you can actually trade 20 different accounts at the same time. Like you can have up to 20 funded accounts at one time. You can even have more than that in evaluation, but for funded paid accounts, you can only have 20. But only. That sounds crazy because 20 accounts is insane. Is that like $1 million in capital? Lauren, could you please let me move to premium? Yeah, Robertson, if you want to move to premium, you just need to message Amy. Message Amy in the group and she'll take care of it, Robinson. Yeah, anyone that has questions about premium in the group, you can message Amy and she will give you the information and then she can get you hooked up. Because if you just ran, in addition to running the normal standard setups, if you just ran ES night zones and NQ night zones, that would have been an extra $1,700 this week. And they only run from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So even if you're running Apex, you can run those because typically we say not to run things overnight on Apex when you're sleeping, just because, you know, random little things can happen sometimes with Apex. So you want to just be around. But 6 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, most people are awake and semi-around. So it would be super easy to implement those two in there and not have any overnight risk. Also, NQ LIS, Gold LIS, and Oil LIS also all run early in the evening. So you could run those as well. I didn't know you can open 20 ninjas at the same time. No, not 20 ninjas. I never said that. You can open 20 funded accounts with Apex at the same time. If you go to apextraderfunding.com and you put in your username and say you already have one account,
Order submitted.
you can then buy 19 more. This is what I'm talking about. Wine's another trade, but that doesn't really matter. So you go to Apex, you do sign up. If you don't already have an account, you sign up for your first account, and then you sign up. You can sign up for 19 more.
Target filled.
Yes, all 20 are live at the same time. So you can essentially, and this is exactly what I'm showing you in the results. These people all have multiple accounts. Multiple. Look, Dana, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. They're all Apex. 3 accounts. John, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 accounts. And then you can use the trade copier. It's a one-time fee of $150 if you want to get the trade copier, but most people don't even use the trade copier. They just apply the algorithm to all their accounts. This is Michael. These are all of his accounts. $5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 accounts. So you can have up to 20 Apex accounts, and then you can even have a cash account on top of that. Yeah, exactly. $34. People are loading up. Sometimes they'll have a 90% sale, but they're not going to have another sale after this sale, probably until like Halloween. So this sale goes until Tuesday, September 27th. And when you go to their website, you have to buy each account individually. Dan, let's not put this here. I really need Irma to get with Dan. I'm going to post a picture here, Dan, so then it's easier to understand. Like, people come in, and this is like kind of what Dan's doing. You come into the group really eager and excited, and I get that. But you also need to do your due diligence and actually look at the settings, because something can't trade if it's not within its trading window. So you can't be like, wait, why hasn't this traded yet? When literally it's not time for it to trade yet. That's the entire point of a trading window. And all of this information is covered in the Helpful Info channel. It's also covered in the intro videos. So, like, I get people get excited and you're like, oh, I want to get started out. I want to know everything. But you can't know everything in, like, 20 hours. The fury in that typing is great. Oh, it's all the time. It's all the time. But I'm glad you appreciate it, because most people hate my typing. They say it's too loud. I'm repinning it in the channel. Dan Moore. Take time and figure that out. All right. Where are we at? It's 10:18, and I probably sound like such a bitch. Apex sucks for that. They should let you bundle, especially if you're a regular customer. I totally agree. Jay, sis, do you have track results for the week? Yes, I'm up $5,000. Anything that makes that kind of money, you should want to learn everything. It's so true. But if you ran, like, premium this week is green. Yesterday was green $4,700. Premium this week is green $4,400 alone. And then the standard algo range is green $2,100 alone. Oh, actually, no, that's wrong, because it's including, it's 23. This is actually going to be a 0. This should not be included. Oh, actually, well, then that might be right. 2118, 2268. What am I missing here? When things don't trade one day, I have to, like, exclude it from the equation, and then I'm like, okay, that's right. 2118. Manual call never came and picked me up. She went, and in for sure, but also I feared Dan right. Wait, for what? What are we talking about? Oh, I feared for Dan right there. What did Andy say? We're all here for the clickety-clack of the keyboard. It's 10:19. I'm sorry there hasn't been more action today, but we are 3 for 4 on the day for bold range only. So again, this is the standard algorithm, a bold range. 3 for 3. ES overnight was 1 for 1. Gold this morning had a loss for $300. ES early was 1 for 1. NQ early was 1 for 1. And new people shouldn't even be running gold. So new people, if you're less than a month in the group, you are 100% on the day. And there is no question or doubt about that. Those are not. Don't forget the trend for the FOMO. Irma, make shirts. Wait, what's the shirt for? Fight the FOMO. Yeah, exactly. If you've missed the move down on NQ, it is what it is. It happened. Go enjoy your Friday. The algo made you money. We can't get huge 100-point drops every day. We get them most of the time. Dr. Jones, going to play pickleball in a few. Nice. Blooper pooper. But yeah, I totally wish Apex would allow you to purchase more than one contract at a time, or one account at a time, because you're agreeing to the terms and services. So I don't know why they wouldn't. We should all send in a ticket to Apex and say, make a quantity button for your purchases. Like, it's insane. I was ready for that short. Nice. I have to actually meet my sister at 11:30. Time to cut the backyard. I thought you were going to cut the grass yesterday. I see you're putting off your responsibilities to gamble your life away. Even with the gold loss, I'm still green $500 on the day. So, and we still have a lot of time left. There are still other algorithms that could trade today. ES later, NQ later. Again, if you don't know how the algorithms work and you're in the group, please go read the helpful info channel. It will help you, I promise. The helpful info will be helpful. Oh my gosh, where did my pictures go? Oh, go fuck. I don't know why the pictures are going away when I pin them. Shoot, actually, I didn't want to do that. It did that yesterday also when I pinned like a file. I don't know. All right, maybe I just won't pin it. Oh, now they're there. Listen, Slack is playing tricks on me. Okay. Never mind. Crisis averted. I go live 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Jen goes live. She's one of my users of the algorithm, so she gives a user perspective from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I love Mondays. Mondays are the best. I don't really enjoy the weekends. I would much rather be in the middle of the week, just hanging out with you guys. Yeah, sure thing, Bob. And again, if you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'm going to go get some breakfast. I'm hungry. Maybe I'll get, no, I was going to say maybe I'll get a bagel. No, I should probably just go get like some eggs or something. All right. I'm going to get off of here. It's 10:23. I think we've had a great Friday. Already 3 for 4 on the day. We'll see if we get some ES later and NQ later love in a bit. All right. Saturdays are no longer wanted. Sundays are fun because then we're getting back into the market and the market opens Sunday night. So if you're thinking about joining, make sure you join by Sunday afternoon so we can get you fully set up to be in the action when the market opens Sunday night at 6 p.m. Have a great day. Again, make sure you tap that screen on your way out, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you. Jen will be live at 2 p.m. So make sure you check her out at 2 p.m. here on TikTok. And then I'll be back on Monday morning. Bye. Have a good weekend. Be safe.